Next, let's set up your footer. The footer is where customers look for policies and support links. First, make sure your inspector is activated. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on your footer. Here, there's a footer section and then also a utilities section. In the utilities section, you can see a terms and policies link. This links to your shipping policy, privacy policy, return policy, etc. And I'll show you how to update these policy pages later. On the right side, you've got your social media links. You can click these and then add your actual social media links in these fields here. To remove any social media platforms you don't use, simply click on the link and then click the X to the right of it. And you can see the TikTok link has been removed from the social media icons in this particular case. Next, you can update the copyright section by clicking on it. And I'm going to toggle off powered by Shopify. So that'll just say copyright, current year, and then the store name. You can add or remove sections to this footer just like you would any other section. Just keep in mind your utilities section of the footer limits how many different items you can add to it. One change I want to make is to update the color scheme like we did the header. So let's click the footer, change color scheme to the dark format, and we'll do the same thing for the utilities. This gives us a nice, clean, dark look at the bottom of our page that matches the top. All right, footer's all set up.